Hey guys, Studmaster Flex here, and look at this little girl. Her name's Shadow. She's so cute. Oh. Dang, if I can even get her on the shot. Jeez, don't fall off, baby. For every subscribe, for every like, there's one cat rolling around. Oh God.
Okay, Andon.
What?
Do you want to go ahead and start making the tree?
I guess. I'm posting this on YouTube of her being so cute.
Table is questionable.
Oh God, Shadow. She's so cute, guys.
I would draw my tree maybe this way. I don't know. You don't really want to copy her tree, right?
Anyway, guys, that's all I had to show you. And as always, please subscribe, like, comment, share, favorite, and as always, peace out, Stud Muffins.